So I just posted on my Instagram that I'm going to be doing a 30-day split challenge because we're in quarantine and we have nothing else better to do. This split has plagued me for 31 years. Yes, I'm 31 years old. So we're going to get it while we don't have anything else better to do. So today is April 11th. The plan is to stretch every day with some rest days and see what we can do. And for the record, I can't do a split. I'm not flexible, nothing. But I feel anything can be done with training and time. So we're gonna get it, okay? So here are some tools that I'll be using because I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos and they say I need this stuff. So foam rollers, one is smooth, one has grooves, some yoga blocks, some knee pads because my knees are terrible on hard surfaces. And this is like one of those door pulley thingies that you use. I'm not sure if all this is going to be helpful, but it's worth a try. Also, I have a mat. I will link all of these tools down below if you are interested in what these products are, and all of them are really affordable. Y'all, it's day 23 and I'm feeling really discouraged right now and frustrated, really, because like I'm looking at my before and after pictures and they look the same, okay? Like nothing ever really tells me no, but this split is trying to tell me no. Like I just don't understand why I don't have more progress than I do. I know it's gonna take time, but I literally have been stretching every day. Well, with the exception of 2 days, because I feel like I had a little setback. I think I injured my hip or something. Like when they say to take a rest and to not overdo it, that stuff is real, y'all. It's real because I really feel like it set me back. I know some days are gonna be better than others, but I really just feel like I should have more progress than I do right now. I'm just frustrated. I'm just frustrated and discouraged. as you can see, it's day 30. If you made it this far through the video, you the real MVP, for real. But I didn't get the split. Am I disappointed? Yes, but I'm so much closer than I was, like so much closer. Like all this pain hasn't been in vain, but I don't know what I'm doing. Like I've been just watching YouTube videos and just doing what I think is right. I know it's some professional people out there, so if you know what you're doing, leave a comment. And if you want to join in, like I got some people on Instagram that's helping me too. So if you want to join in, let me know. We can all get flexible together. Yeah, I definitely felt like some days were better than others, especially depending on how sore I was. But yeah, I really think 60 days gonna do it. I really do. So I'll be posting another video, but I really think 60 days gonna do it. 60, that's the number. So if you want to follow my journey and follow my flexibility progress, then subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.